Hi guys, it's Christy from Pearl and Alex, and today I'm gonna start a series. I want to start this out with a disclaimer. I am not getting married, I'm not in a relationship, but I thought that this might be a fun challenge to try to put together a wedding. The ceremony, the reception, the rehearsal dinner, try to put together a wedding for under $200 using all of my DIY skills. Once again, I'm not in a relationship, not getting married, just putting together a imaginary wedding so that I can test out my DIY skills and see if you can do it for under $200. A beautiful, like really pretty Pinterest worthy wedding for under $200. My two rules are it's got to be $200 or under, and I've got 3 months to get it done. Most people are going to be planning a wedding for longer than this, but I wanted to give myself a pretty strict timeline. Most people will already have their rings, but I wanted to see if I could find some inexpensive rings that are really beautiful, because you may be in a situation where you don't have enough money to buy really beautiful rings right now, but you still want something pretty. So I'm gonna see what I can find for about $25 for the man's and the woman's ring. For the venue, I'm going to try to find something that is $0. For the clothing, I've got a $50 budget on that. Tables and chairs, we're going to do our best to borrow as many as we can. Decor and flowers, $25, and I'm going to be hitting up friends. I'm going to be getting wildflowers. Our Queen Anne's lace right now, it's a beautiful flower, just perfect for like a boho kind of theme that I want to go for. And so I'm hoping to get most of those from an abandoned field over here because it's full of those. And so let's see how that works. Hair and makeup, $0. Everyone's got a friend that is fantastic at hair and makeup. My friend Anna can do the most beautiful braids in people's hair. She's also fantastic at flowers. Officiants, most officiants have a fee for their services. I have put down $50. Hopefully that's enough. We'll see. Music, $0. You can create your own playlist. You can use awesome outdoor speakers, and you may already have those. Maybe you can borrow some, but we really don't need to spend a lot of money on music. Food, about $40. The fun, the games, and speeches and stuff like that, none of that stuff has to cost anything. Bug control, because I want to do this outside. I always dreamed of an outside wedding. So I put down $10 for bug control because you got to think about that when you're going to have people in your backyard. Those budget categories may change a little bit, but we'll get more into that when we actually get into get past the planning phase. So the next thing I did was I went to Pinterest and I put together a board of the look that I was going for. Pinterest is terrific for this, for getting ideas and seeing beautiful layouts and stuff, because we want a Pinterest worthy wedding, but we don't want to spend a ton of money on it. I went in, I put in my color scheme. I'll go over all of that in a different video, but I have linked my Pinterest board below for this under $200 wedding. One of the great things about Pinterest is you get access to thousands and thousands of ideas. I know I was helping out a friend with her wedding, and the color scheme she had chosen was navy blue and like a baby pink. And I was like, ooh, those are pretty far apart on the color spectrum. I was like, I'm not sure how those are gonna look together. But I put that into Pinterest, navy blue and baby pink, and the most amazingly beautiful things came up. So that is a great place to get your inspiration, and that's a great place to collaborate with friends. If you have friends helping you with this, add them to that board so they can add in ideas too. So I hope you guys have as much fun at this as I do. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe so you know when the next video comes out.